everybody, and this is Tyler Tanga again. So we are going to do a video.
I'm here as well.
Yeah, we're gonna do a video opening Pokemon trading card game, Breakpoint, and this weird thingy-majobber. This thing that holds cards.
Nice, Tyler.
Oh, and I'm here with my friend Noe, of course, obviously, because you probably can tell already. So yeah, we're just gonna open this.
Just give me.
So yes, also, yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this part out. See you in a little bit. Okay, everybody, we're back, and we have the Pokemon trading card game thingy. You see, there's like lots of little page thingies.
It's like a book.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a book of collections.
Quote from Noe. You should buy quotes from him because he's so amazing.
Shut up.
Okay, I'll shut up. Okay, so what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so we are going to now we're gonna do some stuff. Okay, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so Scizor Spirit Link, Gyarados Spirit Link, Professor Sycamore, Slowpoke, and he has Headbutt and Tail Lure, Phantom, Psyduck, which has Stampede, Shelter,
Razor Shell.
yeah, whatever, okay, and Blitzel,
Reckless Charge.
and Ferrothorn,
Metal Claw. Spike Lash.
awesome, and Luxray, or however you say it.
Bite and Snarl. That sounds like some wild creature.
Probably because he's is.
Oh.
Okay, and that's our video. So yeah, it was very small today.
Yeah,
but,
sorry for the short one, but
yeah.
I'll possibly see you next time, and Tyler will, so
Yeah.
goodbye.
Bye.